but that buildup can prevent those parts from doing the job that they are designed to do. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and this is part 4 of my series talking about 6 of the most common laundry issues that people don't realize can be caused by using too much laundry detergent. Issue number 4, your washing machine shakes a lot during a spin cycle and potentially doesn't spin everything out all the way. If you've seen the first 3 parts of this series, you know where I'm going with this. It can actually happen as a result of 2 other symptoms of detergent buildup. First of all being the physical buildup itself, which adds extra weight to your machine. And if you think there's no way detergent buildup could add that much weight, this is a washing machine drum with a pretty bad detergent buildup. See all those nooks and crannies full of sludge? Yeah, it can add a lot of weight. Because extra weight in your machine means a lot more work for your shock absorbers, which means a lot more shaking. And that detergent buildup can also prevent the washing machine from draining properly. And if your washing machine's not draining properly, your laundry is going to be a lot heavier when it tries to spin. So not only is that detergent buildup adding a lot of extra weight to the machine itself, which is putting a lot of extra stress on the parts, but that buildup can prevent those parts from doing the job that they are designed to do, which, yes, can cause your washing machine to excessively shake during a spin cycle or to not complete the spin cycle at all.